Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the TradingView mobile app on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the TradingView mobile app on your phone, first open up your Play Store on your Android like this. And after opening your Play Store, on the top of the screen you can see the search bar of the Google. Tap over there and search for TradingView app like this and tap on search, and then you can see there is the TradingView app on the top of the list. Tap over there and you can see the install button. To install it, tap on install, and the TradingView mobile app will be downloaded and installed on your phone momentarily. And there guys, this is how you download and install the TradingView mobile app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.